Welcome to Occam Sozor channel. Nerve damage can cause numbness or tingling, sharp, stabbing, burning or aching pain, weakness, overly sensitive to touch. In this video, I will share 10 foods that fight nerve pain and support nerve health. These foods are generally rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamins, and minerals that can support nerve function and reduce inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, flax seed, chia seed, and fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce nerve pain. Antioxidant-rich foods. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, peaches, cherries, red grapes, oranges, and watermelon are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation and heal the nerves. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, asparagus, and broccoli are packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, which support nerve health. Vitamin B12-rich foods. Egg, milk, cheese, chicken, beef, and fish like salmon and tuna are good sources of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function. Vitamin D, some dairy products, orange juice, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D, which has been shown to help with nerve pain. And also, some mushroom like maitake and shiitake provide vitamin D, magnesium-rich foods. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats are rich in magnesium, which helps in nerve function and may reduce pain. Alpha-lipoic acid, spinach, broccoli, organ meats like liver and heart contains alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that can help with nerve pain, especially in diabetes-related neuropathy. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce nerve pain. Chili peppers, capsaicin, found in hot peppers, can reduce nerve pains in the body. You can add it in your food, or you can prepare cayenne pepper tea. Green tea contains polyphenols that has many health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Sweet potatoes. They are a great source of vitamin A, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which is important for nerve health. If you found this video helpful, share, like, and subscribe the channel.